Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add variants to products using Shopify. So for example, if you want to add a variant for shirts, you want black, white, brown, gray, that kind of stuff, separate variants with different properties like pricing, images, that kind of stuff. I will show you exactly how to do so and how to add a lot of different variants. It's not just about colors, it can also be size, material, maybe, or even style. So you can add these variants to specific products that are going to help you showcase different types of products. So to get started, you go ahead and open up your Shopify and go to your products. And then from here, you can just click on add product and then you just type you just fill out all the basic info here that are going to be needed. So for example, here for the title, let's say I'm going to start selling hoodies maybe. So we've got hoodies. Okay, description, fill out the description. This is for a tutorial, all the basic stuff. And then media if you want. Obviously for each variant you can add a specific product image, and I will show you how. Right now you can leave this empty if you don't want images, but if you want videos and stuff you can also just add them in media, and this is just going to be for the overall a product. So this could just be maybe all the colors in one picture. But then we can just set the price. Let's say one hoodie is let's say this is not dirhams. This is, for example, dollars. So $50, for example. Here maybe 20, and then cost per item, that kind of stuff. If you want to fill out that kind of stuff, and obviously the rest of the things here, the like the for the SEO and that kind of stuff. But what we really want to look for here is variants here. This option right here. Once we click on add options like size or color, we will get these options now. We've got option name, which is basically going to be like what types of variants you want, whether it be size, color, material, or style. So if we got, for example, let's start with color maybe. So if we go to color, now we can add multiple values for colors. So for the first one, let's say we want a white hoodie. The other is black, maybe brown, maybe gray, and let's just leave it at 4. So you can add as many colors as you want, and then like I said, you can add specific images to each variant. But for now, let's just have white, black, brown, and gray hoodies. So this is option 1, which is colors. You can add more options other than colors. Simply just click on add another option, which is going to be, for example, size, and then we just start going small, or let's even go like extra small, small. We've got medium size, we've got large. Obviously this works with any type of product. You just need to know how the size works and stuff. So for example, if it's boots, obviously you're not going to type in small and stuff. You will need to put in the actual values, but the rest are going to be exactly like this. So large, extra large, and let's just leave it at this. Again, if you want to add another, so we've got right now color and we've got size. If you want to add another, you can just click on add another option, and then from here you can add, for example, material like rubber, and whatever type of material that your product is made of, leather, that kind of stuff. We don't want this right now. We're not going to add material options, so we can just delete it by clicking on this trash icon. And now we've got color, we've got size. We can simply just click on done here. So when we click on done, we will be met with the next step if we want to edit it. And now here, for each variant, we can set a price for each specific variant. So the extra small, we can just keep it at 50. The small, we may also keep it at 50. Medium, we can just increase that a tiny bit, so it goes to 55 maybe. Like this is the medium. For the large, we go also 55. Obviously you can just set the price for each one, but you can see all the variants we've got here: white, extra small. We've got all the sizes for the white. We've got all the sizes for the black. Same goes for the rest of the colors. And then we obviously need to set how many are available. We can just click on all of them and we can set available 90, 55, 99. Basically like how many are available. And we can just, we don't really need to select all because we can just go through them and select the pricing and availability of each product. So here we can just keep it at 50 like it was before. And then we can also edit other stuff like SKU if you have one, or barcode if you want, and we can delete specific variants if we don't need them. Next up, let's actually go ahead and after we are done, we make sure we save everything. Let's add pictures, because if we go back to our products and we click on our hoodies product, we go to view. So the preview, we will find all the variants here: white, black, green, gray, extra small, and then the size obviously. But we don't really see any images because we didn't add any. To add specific images, we go back to hoodies, for example, and then we scroll down back and we should find these icons. So for example, for white, extra small, we can add a specific picture. We just click on this icon and then we click on add image, and then from here we just put the image that we want. I don't have a specific here, so let's just add this picture for now. So after that we can just click on done. So remember, white extra small has this picture. Now let's add another picture for white small. So we can just click on there, add image, and let's just add this one. Thanks to Mortis, by the way, for this picture from Unsplash. And then we just click on done. Now remember, white's extra small and then white small have different pictures. We click on save. And then if we view them, we go back to products, we go to hoodies. We should find the extra small white has a specific picture, and then the small one also has a different picture, and same goes for all other images that the variants that we add images to. You can also add them to pre-existing products. If we suddenly have variants that we want to add, we can just go ahead. I created this blob tutorial product. Let's say I had this like for a while now. I can also just click on it on the edit, and we can do the same thing here by clicking on add options like size or color, and then we do all of these other things. For example, like now we can add material, leather, for example, that kind of stuff, and then we should be good to go. So remember, you just click on variants, add a new variant, and then you set the price, availability, that kind of stuff, and you should be good to go. You just click on save and you add a specific picture for the specific product variant, and you are good to go. It's very, very simple, and it's not hard to do at all. And I hope this video helped you. So yeah, thanks for watching.